What a strong boy.
Stop me calling over.
How to get down the hill, use a winch cable.
Then I'm going to get round.
Oh, please fall, please fall. Oh. Yeah. Don't go in the mud, I've learnt the hard way.
Yeah, I'm going to go that way out.
Can you pull some sexy poses while it's happening, just to get all the viewers interested?
You're right everyone, just a quick voiceover to give you an idea of what's going on here. At these annual meets, generally it's Joel that ends up putting like a demonstration on, and last year it was just like a winching demonstration where a car pretended to get stuck and Joel winched it out. This time round it was just a case of, the theory was, can you winch up a Freelander 2 with another Freelander 2? So you've got Joel at the top with his car, and then you've got Garry at the bottom in his car. I believe all Garry's got is the engine started. I don't believe he's given any assistance at all in any part of this. Then you've just got a single line winch going from Joel's car to Garry's car. I'll let you get back to the video audio. Enjoy this clip.
Tension in that rope.
I put the order through at Halpers and then obviously everyone went, oh, I got that. Oh well. You don't want to stop people playing there, do you? That's too bad with Garry. It's great fun, and I was always on the narrowing to a degree.
Just to give you some idea as well, this hill, it is quite a decent hill as well. I know it flattens it out on the GoPro. It's a substantial hill. Look at that.
Is it annoying though? Oh yeah.
Can't imagine how that must fit in the car, getting winched up. And I don't think Garry's give any assistance whatsoever. I think this is purely on Joel's winch, and Joel's winch only.
Bit more! Keep going!
And look at that. Crested the hill. Absolutely bossed it. It was all under control.
Oh, look, Garry's going up and over that moundy bit. Yeah, I was looking at that mound earlier on. I couldn't work out if he can make it.
Is he stuck? Has he seesawed?
Nothing. Black car gets stuck again.
You're at the car and the car's moving.
Yeah. We've got to let him go sometimes.
You see, Garry, if you purchased the white wheels, you would have never got stuck. Garry's had to go at this little mound, and unfortunately he got beached right in the middle. So here's Joel coming to the rescue. Hopefully a little target will be good. Hey, there she goes. Told you, Garry, buy the white wheels. And it's up by magic. Joel comes to the rescue once again. Garry versus Hill. Time to get redemption.
With quite an audience.
Yeah.
No pressure on him this time, is there?
Nailed it.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Did you see his back wheel? Quite automatic, they said.
Get mud terrain tyres, they said. Joel, is this the line that we're not taking? Is that what you're demonstrating in this demonstration?
What he was saying to me in the car was, this is how you don't do it.
Yeah, this is the approach you shouldn't take.
For your benefit, that's what he was saying.
I'm going to purposely get stuck.
Garry's helped me, so I'll help him. Work a bit of raining. That's cheating!